If you struggle to do unit counting or unit addressing from outdoor unit, then watch this video until end. Firstly, after turn on indoor unit, then turn on outdoor unit. Firstly, press mode exit button. Then press select button 2 times to get F3 on the screen, then press enter button, you will get 00 on screen. Then press select button again. If you want to do automatic addressing, then you can select 11, or if you want to do manual addressing, then select 12. After get 12, press enter button for 3 seconds to start analyzing. After wait for 1 to 2 minutes, you will get your number of indoor units you have, then press enter button, you will get pass on screen after coming out. If you want to start test run on unit, you can go to again F3 by press mode button 2 times again, and you get 00, which mean cooling 01, it means heating 02, means stop test run. After 5 to 10 seconds, units start working and compressor also start. You don't need to go inside to individual unit. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to stay connected in future.